welcome back to my channel. It's Amarokonpo here. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a top clean. So top clean is basically the program that you get to do. This is it, top clean. Yeah, so top clean is the program you get to do when you feel that there are residue behind your top. You understand, there's a lot of residue, maybe particles and the rest from washing a couple of times. So since I've gotten this, that's like in December, so it's close to November, right? So it's like December, January, February, March, so it's 4 months I've not done this, so I just feel it's high time I did it. So it's going to be doing that. So it's going to be doing a thorough washing of the whole tub. I do that, I think I'll have to wash the lint filter also. So I've washed it and I'm going to be fixing it back. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go right into it. So in order to activate top clean, I'll go to the program. You see the lights moving, the green light. So we are taking it to top clean, and once I get it there, I'm going to press the start button. So this is the first time I'm trying it, so it's new for me. So let's see how it works. Okay, I think I've not. Let me put on the faucet. So this is top clean, guys. It's going to be washing the tub for over 1 hour. Now I didn't add detergent because I don't know if I need detergent here, so I'm leaving it with just water. Now in my previous video you'll see that I did a video on how to stop the E4 error. So my inlet, water inlet, the mesh there had collected a lot of residue, so I had to open it and brush out all the dirt in the mesh, and now the water is coming in very fast. So you will normally be getting that E4 error whenever your water inlet pipe is blocked, or maybe you don't have running water and the water is dropping really slowly. So whenever your tub is taking time to get full, it's going to start giving that E4 error here. So since I've cleared it, you can see that it's running really fast. So I won't be able to show the whole process because it's going to be a quite long one. So all it's going to be doing is to keep washing the tub, and I'll just come back probably midway or before I leave the house to give an update. So make sure you watch my previous videos if you want to learn how to use this type of washing machine. Is the Hisense bubble clean 8 kg. This particular type, WTJA802T type of washing machine. So in my previous videos you would see how to use it manually, how to use it automatically, other maintenance. I did a Q&A on some problems that people usually have, how to put your drain pipe. So just go to the description box and click the link of those videos, or you can check the playlist where I have playlist with hacks. I think the title of that playlist is called appliances, yes, home appliances, something like that, home appliance reviews and all that. So you just check that playlist and you see all the videos there. Now you see that this water is kind of not clean, so there was a lot of residue that had gotten into this tub from the dirty water. So that's why I just had to do this tub clean. So guys, I'll come back midway. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do that, and I'd like to see your comments and questions if you have any. Thanks guys for your support. We'll be heading right back in midway, when it's probably midway, to see how it's doing. So you can see that it's just been doing this for over 30 minutes now. It's been doing this. So you notice that the water is kind of dirty. This is because I knew that the last time it washed, the tank was dirty, so the water that was coming in had a lot of residue. So while I'm doing the top clean now, you can see that it's bringing out those dirts and just keeps turning and turning and turning the tub. There's no cloth in it, so this is just water only. This is just water only. And after it has 32 minutes more to go, and that will be the end of the top clean program. This one. So that is what it does. It just helps to wash out all the residue in the tub. All these things are maintenance hacks, things that you can use to maintain and ensure that your top loader washing machine keeps working fine whenever you want to use it. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you've not. Then if you need other videos how to use this washing machine, check the description box, and I also like to hear your comments, your questions, and also where you're watching from. So as you can see, completely drained out all the water and now it's spinning. It has moved on to rinse and spin. So it's clearly acting as if it's washing, doing like a wash cycle, but the tub is completely empty. So this is like a core maintenance hack that we all should be doing. So once in a while, maybe once in a month or 2 months, just make sure you do your tub clean. So the tub is going to be free of clothes, it's just going to be empty, and you're doing your tub clean to make sure that all the residues behind the tub, beneath the tub, are flushed out. So if you are still watching this video at this point, make sure you hit the like button, drop your comments, your question, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. Then returning subscribers, I appreciate your support. I'd like to see your hi in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Everything just happened as if it was a normal wash cycle, because after this it rinsed again and it drained out the water and it ended. So it looked as if I was wasting water per se, but really the last time I washed, the dirty water dirtied the whole tub. So this rinse was necessary. It was actually doing its job, because after this stopped clean, the next time I used it, my clothes were clean, like they didn't get dirty, and the water was coming in smoothly because I had cleared the inlet pipe. So this is necessary. You should be doing a tub clean once in a while. See you guys.